How to download and install Android CLI. So all that you have to do is simply come and then select the type of system you are using, click on the link and it will be downloaded for you and you can install it. So let me show you how. Simply go to Google, from Google search, come and type in Android developer just like this and hit enter. So over here, come and select the official site of Android developers by clicking on it. It's going to bring you right here to Android developers platform. From the search, come and click on it. And then from the search bar, simply come and then type Android CLI achieve just like this and hit enter. So when you hit enter, it's going to bring you right here to the results page, and then come and select the first one, the one that is having Android developers tools agent Android CLI. Okay, and then come and click on it. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you right here to the page where you can get the link to download and then install Android CLI. Okay, so we have every system we have for Linux, and then this is the link. Beside that, we also have Mac. This is the link. We also have Windows, and this is the link. So I'm going to go for Windows. Okay, so all that I have to do is simply come here to where we have the Windows link and come and click on the copy. And after that, simply come back to your system. Okay, after copying it, come back to Windows, and then from the search, come and then type in CMD. Okay, and then come and select run as administrator. That is the command prompt. So it's going to open and run as administrator. Simply come here and then come and put the mouse at where the cursor is. Okay, and then come and click on the right click. Okay, just right click on it. It's going to paste the link just like this, and then simply come and then click or hit enter. So it is going to download and install for you. That is it. Okay, we also have the other option whereby you can simply come here to where we have the download Android CLI directly. All that you have to do is simply come and then select your system. Okay, so mine is Windows. Okay, so to download it, simply come and then click the link. Okay, when you click on the link, it is going to download it for you and it will open just like this. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on open, and it will take you directly to the command prompt where I showed you. Okay, and then as you can see, it has successfully downloaded and installed the Android CLI on my Windows system. Okay, so it is ready, and then all that I have to do is to simply come and then press any key. Okay, what I have to do is just press any key on my keyboard. You can press the space bar, and then after that, the next thing is to simply come and then check it if it has successfully installed by typing Android space dash dash version just like this. Okay, then you hit enter. So it is first going to unpackage it. So when you enter it the first time, okay, it is going to unpackage it. So just allow it to finish. So as you can see, it is unpackaging it, and it's going to give you the version. Okay, so as you can see, that's giving you the version. So the next time that you type it again, okay, you type in Android space dash dash version, and then you hit enter, you are going to get the version directly. So as you can see, this is the version of the Android CLI that we are using. Okay, so the next thing is to come and then check if you have any updates available. So simply come and then run Android space updates. Okay, just like this, and then you hit enter so that it will check for any update for you. So after typing and then you hit enter, it is simply going to check if you have any available updates. Okay, so as you can see, it is going to check it for us so that you know that you are using the latest version. Okay, so as you can see, we are already using the updated version, and that is good. The next thing is to know the commands and then the shortcuts and everything. So to do that, simply come and then type Android space dash H just like this. Okay, then you hit enter. So it is going to list everything that you can use using your Android CLI. So as you can see, we have the commands here, and from here, the first one is the command to create a new Android project. So as you can see, we have create a new Android project, and that is the command. Okay, so you can run it to create Android project. You can run all these commands. You can test it yourself. Okay, so that is it. And the next thing is to try and then see if you have any info. So you can type Android info and then hit enter, and it is going to list all the info available for your Android CLI. Okay, so that is it. We have successfully installed our Android CLI, and it is now ready to be used. Okay, so this is exactly step-by-step easy guide on how you can download and then install your Android CLI. Like the video and then see you in my next video.